The People's Democratic Party (PDP) continue to present their case for the Governorship Election Petition Tribunal as they bring in two new witnesses wey go testify about the results of the September 21, 2024 Edo State Governorship election. The witnesses laid in evidence by PDP lawyer Adetunji Oyedipo. The first witness, Reverend Chigbogun George, wey serve as World Collation Agent for Egor local government, talk about irregularities and overvoting for 23 polling units and also yarn say INEC put in wrong scores wey dem enter inside Form EC8A during the election. E con show e official agent ID tag and bring some documents as evidence. The documents include the original election result for the polling units and 16 copies of Form EC8A wey contain the official result wey INEC compile. The second witness, Oseyili Anini, wey dem introduced as the star witness for PDP, tok say e observe and participate for election activities across all 18 local government areas of Edo State. For im testimony, e make some corrections to the statement wey im make before, especially some paragraph wey im clarify the words wey im use for election practices. Anini present plenty documents to back im claims, including original agent copies of Form EC8A, and also tok say overvoting happen for 75 polling units across the state. In testimony include reference to election forms EC8A, EC8D, and EC8C wey im claim show evidence of overvoting and other irregularities for the voting process. According to Anini, dem see plenty mistakes for the accredited voters number for the 75 polling units, and the figures show inside forms EC40A and EC40B. In total, im tok say im identify 125 polling units wey dem put wrong scores both for the original INEC documents and the CTCs wey dey for RF portal. The PDP legal team don submit all the documents as exhibit with the aim to show say the election result not correct and say e no show the true outcome of the election. After the hearing, APC legal adviser Stephen Okuro for im talk with Tori People come give update about the court case.
They have called two witnesses today. They called one witness, a whole government coalition agent from Egor. Now they have called their star witness, who they refer to as the Director General Strategy. And so that one is he's giving his evidence, but yet to be cross-examined. But documents that he's tendering are being objected to by the respondents. But the reason for the objection, according to the respondents' lawyers, said it will be given when they are now writing their final written addresses. The star witness is like the anchor, is like the arrowhead in their petition. And all exhibits is going to identify all the exhibits across the states, not one local government. You see, the ones that we calling before is per local government, but this one is going to identify all the exhibits that has been tendered so far. That's the arrowhead. No, well, so far they have recognized him as a star witness, but maybe we are believing that he's going to be the only star witness, but we don't know yet. That is what they just gave to the tribunal, that this is their star witness. Of course, we regard him as such for now. The PDP feeded their star witness. Now they concluded, and they took a lot of time, more than 2 hours, to take their star witness because they tender all the exhibits. And then when it was now time for the respondent to cross-examine, they said the time has gone, and so that they needed time to cross-examine. And you know, they have 3 lawyers, 3 respondents, 3 lawyers to cross-examine, and so the time was too short. So they had to apply for a date to enable them cross-examine properly.
At the end of the hearing today, the tribunal release notice say dem go relocate the Governorship Election Tribunal wey dey sit for Benin City, Edo State, go Abuja for the National Judicial Institute for Airport Road, Abuja from Monday 27 January 2025. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.